Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Slay With Me Saturday. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a really long time. Today we are going to be using the Midas Cosmetics Smokey Glow Palette. I did just pick this up, as well as the highlighter. That's what we're going to be doing. So if you want to see what look I create and just want to chat with me on this Saturday morning, afternoon, whenever I post it, then definitely keep on watching. I recently picked up this palette, so you will be seeing it in an April makeup purchases, but this is the Midas Cosmetics Smokey Glow palette. I didn't get it when it first released, but when they restocked I got it. I actually didn't know that they restocked yet. I just was like about to buy something. I was like, you know what, let me go see if the palette is in stock, and it was. I'm a little salty because like I forgot to use a discount code, so I think it came up to like $60 something for the palette, for shipping, and for the highlighter. This is what it looks like. I could have saved money on this, so whatever, but you know, I could have saved money. I'm just going to go in with this white shade right here. It's called Basic. I'm just gonna use that to like set the eyeshadow primer. All right, I figure I'm gonna take this Morphe M441 brush. It's all like crazy looking. It looks like me when I wake up in the morning, and I'm gonna go in with Jump Cut, and Jump Cut is this coralish shade right there. Now, I never tried any of Midas Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, so I really don't know how the formula is. So like all my brushes are dirty. I have to wash them. I'm over exaggerating, not all of them, but a lot of my brushes are dirty, that I'm actually pulling out brushes that I never used. So I'm a weirdo. I will keep on buying brushes, but I will keep on washing the ones I normally use, just so I can keep using the ones that I normally use, because I don't always want to use like the brand new ones. So if you are wondering what nail polish I have on my nails, it's actually from Kathleen Light's new nail polish brand. What is it called? Lights Lacquer. I picked up 3 of them, and this was one of them. I don't know the shade. The shade is actually in my room. I will check it out and put it on a screen when I edit it. But they're a little chippy because Ivan painted them last night, and he didn't do 2 coats and he didn't do top coat, and I wasn't gonna complain and tell him he was doing it like not right. I wasn't gonna tell him he was doing it wrong, because he don't never paint my nails. So I was like, you want to paint my nails? You paint my nails, baby. You paint my nails. You doing it right. I like it. And he even did the cutest little thing. So I cut my toenails really short. I mean, I don't cut them short that they could bleed. I just don't like long toenails. Like, I feel like, ugh, you know? Like, when the girls have those long toenails in the wintertime and they paint them white and it looks like they got a fake nail on their toenail. Ugh, I don't know. Maybe I'm weird, whatever the case may be. But he even... check this out. So I cut my toenail short. My pinky nail is like really short. It's like a little line. That's my pinky nail. And let me tell you what he did. He did the cutest little thing, okay? He painted half of my skin so it looks like my nail was a little bit longer. Tell me that's not adorable. Can't tell me that's not adorable. Got people out here, you know, got people thinking my nail is a nail. That was pretty weird. That was weird, I tell you, that was weird. Okay, I have to stop with this shadow. The next shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here. It is called Wario. I want to ask, how are your moms doing? You know, like, how is the moms doing? Because I just found out that my kids will not be going to school for the rest of the school year. Now, I'm not going to lie. At first, I was a little bit disappointed. I was like, oh my God, what the heck? And then I was a little bit sad because I know I'm even more stressed out. But then I was kind of relieved because I was like, you know what? If they have to keep them home, let them be home so they can be healthy and happy. I'm not gonna lie, I am sad because my son graduates 5th grade this year, and I really want him to experience the prom, and I want him to experience, you know, going on a senior trip and graduation and all of that. But guess what I did? Because I'm a freaking rock star mother. I'm a freaking cool mother, okay? Even if my kids don't appreciate me sometimes, I know I'm cool as heck, okay? So these ungrateful little kids, they gonna freaking adore me. They gonna freaking adore me, I tell you. So I went on Amazon. I know I'm crazy, but I went on Amazon and I ordered a cap and gown. So I ordered a blue cap and gown for Aiden, because the colors were blue. And then I ordered Adam, who's 4, who was supposed to graduate pre-K. I ordered him a blue cap and gown as well. So we are going to be having a graduation in my house. I'm going to order them a suit, but not like expensive suits. They're not gonna get like a suit that they would have wore, like my son would have wore to prom, because unfortunately there's not gonna be a prom. So he's gonna get something, you know, a little cheaper, but it's still gonna look good. And we are going to dress him up. We're all gonna dress up, and we are going to have the graduation in the house. So I know it sounds cheesy, but I will make sure to decorate. I already started buying some of the stuff online because I figured that if other parents think about doing this, then all the supplies, and then, you know, Amazon sometimes takes a while to ship. I know I ordered some stuff and they are taking a while. One thing says May 3rd, which is crazy, but whatever. So I ordered that, and then he said the graduation fine, but he said he didn't want to do a prom. I feel like the look took a turn for the worse. This is usually why I don't talk. I'm just taking this brush with no extra product on it, and I'm just blending things out. I'm not gonna criticize the look because I feel like every time I think it looks crazy, once I cut my crease and fix it up, it'd be looking nice. So I'm not gonna sit here and criticize like if I don't know what happened. So I'm going to take the small little blendy brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is amazing. I'm going to be putting that on my outer corner and a little bit in my crease. Ooh, that looks pretty. I think that looks about even, and if it doesn't, it's okay. So we're just gonna blend it all together. Ew, why am I talking like that? I don't know what has gotten into me. I guess I am being super jolly because my kids are asleep. I had a pretty hard day. Pretty hard day. And I am happy they're asleep. Alright, I put some concealer on the back of my hand and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm doing a half cut crease. I know I said that I was going to stop doing them, but I'm not. I like it. And this look, I'm going to do a half cut crease. So it's okay. Next time I won't do it. I promise. I won't do it next time. I should probably bring you down so you can see, but I'm too lazy to move the camera right now. Alright, so I cut my crease, and of course I always take a pointer brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is a set. It doesn't have a number anymore. No, it doesn't have a number, but it's just this pointer brush. I always do that. I do it so that way I could blend out the line so it's not so harsh. I forgot how great Jeffree Star concealer is for cutting the crease because it's literally so creamy that it doesn't dry out fast. What shade do I want to go in with? I kind of want to go in with that purple shade, but I don't know. I don't want to do just a regular gold. Like, I don't want to do rant. I feel like I always do gold. You know what? I'm going to go in with the shade that I wanted to go in with, and hopefully it comes out looking nice. So I wanted to go in with this purple shade called Leno. And I'm gonna use my finger. This one is really smooth. Like, this is the one that I put my finger in and all I had to do was like brush it. Is this supposed to be like a glitter or something? I don't know. But I dipped my finger in it and it had a mark, and all I did was press it down and the mark disappeared. So I did go in with liner and lashes off camera just because there was like a car and the horn or the alarm was going off and it was too much. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Honestly, I think I'm going to play with this palette a little bit more. It is really pretty. I do want to dive into the pinks and the browns and the little neutrals that she has going on in this palette, but I really do like the look. The highlighter, I totally forgot about it, but when I did put it on, I definitely seen the little pop. Everything else on my face I'm really enjoying. So I just want to say thank you so much for taking a couple minutes out of your Saturday or whenever you are watching this to just sit down and watch me put some makeup on my face. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I do hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Definitely let me know how your time is going. If you are working, I just want to say thank you, regardless if you're, you know, a nurse, a firefighter, an essential worker, a cashier at a supermarket, whatever it is that you do. If you're still working, I do want to say thank you, and please be safe. I know it's kind of hard not to, but try not to watch the news so much, because then you really can get depressed. Like me, I haven't watched the news in a really long time. And I know some people don't agree with that, but it has definitely been helping me. But that is it. That is going to go ahead and complete this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.